Hey everybody, it's Mark Evernden, Ever Real Estate, Century 21 Bamber. We got this great unit coming to market, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, completely renovated, top to bottom. You need to see this. Location, location, location. Right in the heart of Kensington. We're at the Providence at Kensington, located at 1321 Kensington Close. So let's go start our tour. As you enter the unit, again, super open floor plan. As I said earlier, completely transformed. Everything has been redone in this unit. Electrical, appliances, kitchen, California closets. You've got a German engineered oak flooring throughout. You got 2 great sized bedrooms, one with a full ensuite and one with a secondary bathroom. You've got an office area just off your kitchen. Beautiful laundry set at the front entrance. Everything's been done here. There is a huge opportunity. Over $70,000 in this renovation has been done. The unit is just on the river. Your access to all the amenities of downtown, Princess Island Park, Kensington. Everything you're looking for is in this area. So this particular building has amazing demand for its location because of the amenities and lifestyle. Hey everybody, you'd never know it. It is spring here. Believe it or not, golf course is opening in 3 weeks. Unbelievable. Typical March in Calgary, we can get snow. Thanks for joining our tour of the Providence at Kensington, right in the heart of Kensington. Inner city community, big demand, great location, all amenities. This particular unit is completely redone, like I said earlier, but here's the other option. The owner will sell all the furnishings in the unit with the unit, so you can have a full turnkey opportunity. So give me a call directly at 403-829-3776. The snow will be gone. I look forward to your call.